Unlink stuck payments. Sometimes your client may have successfully paid the invoice, but the payment does not have the paid status for various reasons, such as the client canceling the payment made with a credit card through their bank or the payment requiring additional actions from the client. Since such payments are stuck in the incomplete or verifying payment status, they block invoices in the in-progress status, and neither you nor your clients can pay them again. To avoid this issue, you can unlink such payments from invoices. To do that, go to Billing and select Payments. Open the payment in Incomplete or Verifying Payment Status. Expand the Invoices that the payment covers section and select an invoice to unlink. Click the Unlink Invoice icon to the far right. Click Unlink. After that, the invoice will be moved to either the unpaid or overdue status. If email notifications are enabled for the invoice, the client will receive an email prompting them to pay it. The funds will be credited to the client's account if the unlinked payment succeeds later. This means your clients don't lose anything they've paid, and they'll be able to use these credits to pay invoices, or you can use them to pay on their behalf.